How to share YouTube video on Instagram story. Hey guys, I'm Nana from Create, Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. So go ahead and then tap on the three dot icon of the video and tap on share. Here you have to tap on copy so that you can copy the link. Once you do that, now you can head back and you can open your Instagram application. Tap on your story and you can choose a background for it, or you can select a solid background. For that, just tap on the three dot and choose a color here, then press and hold. Now once you do that, tap on the sticker icon and tap on the link option from here. Now just paste the video link over here and tap on done. Once you do that, now you can just tap on it to choose the layout of the sticker. From here, what you can do next is you can write something about this video. For an example, I'll be adding some of the arrow emojis here, and after that I will write check it out or something like this. For an example, you can just arrow it like this and you can write any caption or any description of your preference. Here is mine. So just tap on done. Once you are happy with it, just tap on your story option and then share. Now let's wait until our story is posted. Once it is posted, it will appear something like this. Now just by tapping on your sticker, it will provide a visit link option. Then you will be redirected to the video you just paste the link of. Isn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.